Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can properly lay out your threefold brochure in Adobe Photoshop. So threefold brochure is a print design, and you need to follow some print guidelines so that you will be able to create a very unique and a very safe printed threefold brochure. So how do you do that? So follow me. Let's get the practical class started. So when you want to create your threefold brochure, you have to come to the file. Then you click on new. So your threefold brochure has to be in this A4 standard size, that is 8.5 by 11, right? Now, in every case, threefold brochure always be in a landscape. You have to come here and switch from portrait to landscape. So when you switch to landscape, you're going to have it in vice versa, that is 11 by width and 8.5 by height. So this is how you're going to have it. Then you can come to the top here, and we call this one threefold brochure layout. Right, so the next thing we have to do is to come make sure that this is in a 300 IR resolution, because every print design must have to be in 300 layout setting. Then you have to come here and change color from RGB to CMYK. Let's see. And we choose CMYK color. Now, before we finally click on create, we need to take note of one thing. You see the width here, which is 11. So we need to make sure that we divide this 11 into 3, right? So then we come here and click on create. All right, so the next step we are going to take now is to bring out our calculator. Then I'm going to type in 11, then divided by 3, then equal to, so we're going to have 3.6, right? Now we have to come to toolbar here, and we'll right click on our custom shape, and we select our rectangle. Then we come to the workspace here, we click once, and then here we're going to type in 3.5. let's see, 3.6. okay, so it's going to be 3.6 inch, then by 8.5 inch. And we're going to click on OK. Right, now having created this shape, now we're going to go to our move tool now. Then we're going to come to the home tab here. We'll look for select, and we're going to choose all. Then we're going to come here and align to vertical center, align to horizontal center, and align to vertical center. All right, so we're going to come back to select, and we click on the select, or you press Ctrl D on our keyboard. Then the next thing we're going to do now is to drag our ruler, both vertical and then horizontal. Right, so the next thing we have to do now is to create a bleed area, because every print design needs to have a bleed area. Okay, so we have to come to the background layer here, then we have to click on OK. Then we have to go to Home tab here, click on Image, then we look for canvas size. Then here we come here and type in 0.25 by 0.25, and we come up here, click on OK. Alright, so we can just select our ruler again to demarcate the bleed area. Alright, so we can select this shape now and press Ctrl T on we can delete the shape, press Enter key on our keyboard. So I'm going to select the background now. Sorry. So I'm going to select it on the background and press Ctrl T on my keyboard, and I'm going to expand it. Shift key and Alt key on my keyboard to expand. So for us to be able to differentiate between the stuff, so I'm going to double click on this blue layer now, and I'm going to color this black. I'll click on OK. Boom. So this is how you probably lay out your threefold brochure, and we can decide to change this background color also. I'm going to select my rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle all over. Let's see. Boom. So this is how you can probably lay out your threefold brochure in a print ready design. And if you want to start your design, you can just delete all the background and all the settings, but do not touch the guideline or this ruler here. You do not touch it. So this is how you probably lay out your threefold brochure for print ready design. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. And if you like this video, click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching from the beginning to the end. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.